And now I'm going to solve the 1-up sound effect, which I use in my videos. The 1-up sound effect divides by 3 beautifully, 222 perfectly. And then say the famous 1-up sound effect from Super Mario Brothers. Super Mario Brothers divides by 3. There's a triple of 99s for you. And so in honor of that, let's play it for you with God as 3 persons. Triple 8 tripled and tripled again, and God is sovereign. A 7-fold set of triple 8s. There you go. The 1-up sound effect has been solved. Amen equals 33.